Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the patient identifier face hash button. The patient identifier face hash button will permanently delete a debtor's photo from the database. Once the photo is deleted, the debtor can't be identified in the patient identifiers tab. The user can take another photo of the debtor when they want to have a photo again. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the Debtor segment. The Debtor screen will open. Search for the desired debtor in the search field. The Debtors Sidebar will open. From the sidebar, click on the Debtor Edit button. The Debtor Details screen will appear. Click on the debtor's photo. The video capture screen will open. Click on the Clear button to delete the photo. The photo will be cleared. Click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving. Or if the practitioner wishes to save, click on the Save button to save the changes. The user will be redirected to the Debtor Details screen. Please note that the debtor's photo is cleared. Click on the Delete Face Hash button to permanently delete the photo from the database. Once the user clicked on the Delete Face Hash button, the color of the button will be dull. The practitioner may click on the Close button if the practitioner wishes to go without saving. To save, click on the Save button. The Debtor screen will open.